down here in Canton, and I swung down this way because when I was just looking around at points of interest on the RAV navigation system, I can't stumble across the Southern Michigan Railroad Museum, but I couldn't, on the web, I couldn't find any hours. So I drove down here, and they got a bit of an exhibit here that you can see from the road, but I still haven't seen a sign for the museum office. They're supposed to have railroad rides, train rides too, but all I'm seeing is some old rusty engine and cars here. Oops. Yeah. So yeah, this is all I'm seeing here in front of a lumberyard. These are probably these three engines are probably switch engines. I have no idea what this equipment here could do. It has some attachments on the one end of it. Looks like to do something with the tracks or the bed of some sort. I'm not sure what it's supposed to do. But anyways,